Brush your teeth. Ready? Got it?
I got it.
Okay. Let's brush your teeth.
I was part of this show.
All right, this is what you get when you get something like this. So it comes with all the tools they're all included. The Allen wrench, that's pretty much what you're gonna need to set up the whole step stool. Instructions, a couple of corners so you can actually cover it up. So if your child's gonna be using this, or he won't damage himself by climbing the stairs. Also, some little sliders for your carpet or hardwood floor. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, if you guys can see, you can put it on your bed. So if you have little kids or even pets, they could climb up very simple to your bed. Especially if you have a high bed like us. We have a huge bed right here. So it's best to put something like this, especially with the bumpers. You're not gonna hit it yourself at night. Very simple, easy to install. All right, so if you have a bathroom and you got little ones and they can't reach, this is perfect for them. You come in here, you set it up at one end for them. And if it's not balanced out, you could just twist out some of the knobs and have them sit standing up to brush their teeth on their bathroom.